Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Charge the Quest 2 above 50% and back up any saved data through your Oculus account because a factory reset erases local data. Once done, make sure your headset is powered off, then power it on and go directly to settings in the headset or open the Oculus mobile app. You do this now to ensure a clean environment. That prevents bricking or corrupted profiles during the reset process. You execute the reset by choosing Factory Reset either in the headset settings or in the Oculus app under Advanced Settings. Confirm when prompted, because that final confirmation wipes the device. Once initiated, the Quest 2 rebuilds its firmware and deletes your account data, so give it time. You should expect roughly 10 to 15 minutes depending on updates. During that window, do not interrupt power or close the app, since stopping it mid-process can leave the system unstable. You finish by rebooting and walking through the initial setup. Sign into your Oculus account, reinstall apps, and let system updates complete because that restores functionality. If the headset fails to boot or becomes stuck, try the hard reset. Power off, then hold volume down and power to enter bootloader, select Factory Reset, and confirm. This recovers many issues. If problems persist after these steps, reach out to Oculus support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.